So nice, isn't it? He loves his tea cocaine spray. Catnip spray. And then there was another. Give me my cocaine. My cocaine. My cocaine. He's like, what the heck are you doing? I love this cocaine. Yummy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Some good stuff. Feels good. Mine. 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 It's like I'm just, oh, so sorry. Oh, yummy. Oh, yes. So nice. Oh, it's itchy. Very itchy. He's having a seizure. Too much cocaine. Too much cocaine. I'll just walk it off. Yummy. Yummy. Very yummy. I love my cocaine. 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 See, he's a crackhead. And then DC is, he's a nice guy. He doesn't like cocaine. He likes the real stuff. What? Oh, yeah, that's good. Good stuff. I think it was the next batch of bullets. Even though I'm the one who told him to do it. Oh, yeah. Good. I didn't put some more. Oh, he's gonna die happy. Oh, yeah, give me that. Give me that. Oh, yeah, that feels good. Yum. Yeah. Huh. Itchy scratch? That makes me itchy. But it's okay. Here's some more. You want some more? Here's some more. Oh. 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 It smells so good. I can't take it. Oh, give me that cocaine. That cocaine. That cocaine. Dang. I'm sorry. Took you away from your cocaine. See how that could hurt your self-esteem. It's like, no, I want the cocaine. It's like, stop it. No, it's my cocaine. Dang, trying to claw me? I just want the hey. Hey. Ah. He loves leave cocaine alone. No, I want the cocaine. He's clawing it now. Give me my cocaine. Give me my cocaine. It's my cocaine. It's my cocaine. This dude's trying to claw me. It's like, oh, that's wonderful. Smell I smell. Smelly. I smell it now. That does smell good. I wonder if he's rolling around in it. More. That's itchy. All that rolling around would get you itchy. I love it when he does that. He's like, no! Don't attack me. Good kitty. Good kitty. Good kitty. Well, good kitty. Good kitty. You want me to stop? You want me to stop him?